In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix forms not working. If your Wix form is not submitting properly, not sending notifications, or just behaving strangely, one of the most effective fixes is to remove the broken form and rebuild it from scratch. This helps because older forms can sometimes carry over cached errors or app-related issues that don't go away with small edits. Start by deleting the form from your page. After that, go to your Wix dashboard or App Market. Open Apps, then go to Manage Apps and remove the Wix Forms app completely. Once it's deleted, reinstall Wix Forms and add a brand new form back onto your site. Rebuilding the form gives you a clean, updated version, which often resolves hidden problems quickly. After reinstalling the app, check the actual structure of your form. Make sure your form includes a valid email address field or a phone number field, and just as importantly, make sure those fields are marked as required. This matters because forms may not function correctly if essential contact fields are missing or optional when they should be mandatory. Using a required contact field also helps Wix process submissions more reliably and ensures you collect the information you need from visitors. Next, verify whether the form is capturing submissions behind the scenes, even if email alerts are not arriving. In your dashboard, go to Customers and Leads, then click Forms and Submissions. Select the form you are working on, open Form Notifications, and then click Send Mail. This area lets you review and manage how notifications are being handled. If email notifications are failing, don't assume the whole form is broken. Sometimes the form is collecting data correctly. But the notification system is what needs attention. Checking submissions internally helps you separate a delivery issue from a form issue. Another important step is testing the live site in a private browsing session. Browser cache, saved data, or extensions can sometimes block scripts and interfere with how Wix Forms loads or submits. Open your site in an incognito or private window and test the form there. This gives you a cleaner environment and helps you see whether the issue is truly on the site or just happening in your regular browser session. If the form works in private mode, clear your browser cache and consider disabling extensions one by one to identify the cause. By going through these checks carefully, you can usually get your Wix form working again without much trouble. Thanks for watching.